Hello, my name is Jeff Lewis. It's hard to believe that coming up in September of this year, I've been with Slide Products for 29 years. About 29 years ago, I was struggling with family, life, work-life balance, whatever way you want to call it, going through a bad divorce, and Jim Harms, my stepfather, came to me and offered me this opportunity. It has since turned into be the greatest save milestone of my life. Got me custody of my daughters, a lot of other things that have come because of Slide's relationship with me. What I bring to Slide personally, I think best is I have a strong background in tool and die, automotive, construction, a lot of other trades that come into play. And the biggest thing that all helps customers benefit from with me is the fact that I can lay out procedures, solve problems, and find solutions related to just about anything that that they may have happening in their plant. Our entire team is very, very strong, but feel free to always reach out to me if you ever need somebody to talk to, bounce a problem off, or just a question.